Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the essential world of data analytics and marketing. In an era dominated by information, understanding how to harness data can give your marketing efforts a significant edge. But how exactly can you employ data analytics effectively? First, let's start with data collection. Gather data from various sources: social media interactions, website visits, email campaigns, and customer feedback. These are the building blocks for a comprehensive analysis. Next, segmentation is key. Analyze the data to segment your audience based on demographics, purchasing behaviors, and interests. This allows you to tailor your campaigns with precision, ensuring that your message resonates with the right people at the right time. Then dive into predictive analytics. Use historical data to anticipate future behaviors. For instance, understanding peak purchasing times or identifying which products are about to trend can help you position your offers strategically. Don't overlook the power of personalization. Data analytics enables you to craft personalized marketing messages and recommendations for your customers. This not only boosts engagement, but also enhances customer loyalty. Moreover, track your performance. Utilize analytics tools to monitor the success of your marketing campaigns. Metrics like conversion rates, click-through rates, and customer acquisition cost will guide your decision-making and strategy refinement. A/B testing is another critical element. By testing different versions of your marketing materials, you can identify what works best for your audience. It's a data-driven approach to optimizing your content for maximum impact. Additionally, keep an eye on competitors. Data analytics can help you gather insights about your competitors' strategies and performance, offering you the opportunity to adapt and innovate. Finally, stay updated with trends and technologies. The world of data analytics is constantly evolving, and staying abreast of new tools and methods will keep your marketing strategies fresh and effective. Remember, data analytics in marketing is not just about numbers. It's about turning data into actionable insights. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to revolutionizing your marketing efforts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.